Is it rolling?
We are recording, Pete.
Okay, it is January 2018, and we've got a precision aerobatics biplane here that's been gathering dust for a very long time.
Shut up. Shut up about that.
It's beautiful!
It is.
Okay, so I got some Sparkfun parts to share. This is what I like to call my poor man's Google Glass. And you see I got a Pro Mini here and 3 LEDs. And this thing's gonna clip to my sunglasses and show me my battery indication. Yeah. So I got a receiver here. This little sucker, another Pro Mini and an RFM69. A little LiPo battery to power this little sucker up. I got red to red, black to black.
Oh, that's not how you do it.
Oh man, I blew this thing up when I was deving it. Alright, some form of LED on. Yep.
Can you tell?
I can kind of tell. And then I'm going to actually throw this on the ground. It's a real high-tech situation. And then this, this is basically just a little three pieces of electricity flying through this. What do you got? 3 wire.
Conductor, 3 wires?
3 conductor, it's a good line. And I got a power ground from that Pro Mini going to power ground on this one. And then just a little software serial spitting some characters at it.
It'll never work.
Let's see. I got a power is red to red usually. Ooh. She got a little ding there in the bag, I think. I think that leg will last another flight though. Okay, hold on. There. Alright. And let's see what she's reporting. Let's do a little reset. Can you see it in the daylight at all?
I doubt it.
No. We'll
Here,
see.
This is a good spot for my shadow.
Okay, I'm gonna put reset, and we should see a little blink pattern.
Yep.
Okay, cool. So
that.
this is alive. That's good. Let's turn on the plane. First things first. Radio, throttle down, AMR. Okay, that handy.
Boy, that's a pretty plane.
She's glossy. She's a doozy. I'm gonna try to keep it pretty. All right.
I'm really gonna bum if your first flight ends up being your last flight.
It won't be my last flight. No matter what, I'll fix it. Make it fly again. Okay, so I got my throttle down, and
you're plugging in that battery somewhere under there that I can't see.
Yeah, it's kind of. I like the sound of that.
She wants to fly, Pete.
You can see this Pro Mini in here. Can you get a close up? Here, let me bring it up, or you got it?
I can't.
It's actually right here. See, so
it's way on the
way in the back.
Okay. Yeah, I can kind of see that.
Cool.
Yep, there it is.
And that is actually just watching a voltage divider off of the battery. So I got 12.6 as a fully charged battery, and I dropped that down to 3.3 so that I could see that on an ADC. And then that is actually talking to another RFM69 back down to my little
over yar.
Yeah, over yar. And I've got my threshold set up for my little LEDs here, so that when it's sitting at 12.1 and above, I've got green. And then
you're green.
Then when it goes below 12.1, I got yellow. And then when it hits 11.3, it goes red. And that means it's time to land. I'm probably gonna land before that.
All right. Enough yakking,
no, hold on,
Pete.
bud. And then there's also a flicker here. I just added this feature. So every 100 messages that it hears from the plane, it just turns all the LEDs off for a quick little blip.
So you can tell if there's. Yeah, I got it.
And then this.
All right, quit stalling, man.
Well, let me mount it to my sunglasses real quick.
There's other planes in the sky, and I've got the attention of a gnat.
I know. I'm trying to keep you entertained, Pete. So, yeah, she's right there. And I can just about see the green in the shadow of my bill. It's pretty good.
All right.
And I'm going to scoot it out of here. And I can still see the sky where I'm flying. I like it.
Also good.
Okay.
Wind's starting to pick up just a little bit.
Just the right amount. Huh?
Just the right amount. And you're into the headwind right here. So we're ready.
Well, hold on a sec. I'm just gonna make sure right is right. That's a right roll. I like that. A left roll. Pulling it up.
Up and down.
Down.
You got some dual rates on there?
This is single rates right now.
Okay.
You want to see dual rates? It's absolutely insane.
Hit me.
Bam! Bam!
Whoa!
Look
Ooh!
at this.
Ow!
Look at this elevator. Oh!
Oh!
Look at this rudder.
It's gonna be. Oh my gosh!
So I'm gonna take it off with single rates.
All right. You chicken.
I'm gonna taxi around a minute just to see.
It's not a car, Pete. Oh man, that might be the first time it's ever moved under its own power, Pete. That thing sat in my basement for years, and I was too afraid to fly it.
My plan of attack is take off this way, and then I'll just
circle around and see how it feels.
Oh, Pete, the maiden.
This is it.
Woo! The pilot shadow covers the plane.
I'll try to keep this in the center, but
yeah, do your best.
I'll do my best. Whoa!
Oh man, trim. I have not done trim in a long time.
I almost can't see it at all now.
You can pinch zoom on that if you want to give it a shot.
Oh, I'll just jack it up more. You gotta fly lower, Pete.
I know, I'm gonna have to.
And not
trim
into
it
the
out.
sun.
Once I trim it out, let me.
Oh, I can't even. There it is.
Wow, my LEDs are flying left and right.
Are they?
Yeah, they're sitting at yellow right now, so that means I'm below 12.3. It's not good.
I can see it with my eyes. I can't see it with the phone.
Hold on, I'm coming to
Wait, there it is.
Oh, she's a beauty.
Where'd it go? There it is.
Yeah, that's interesting that my battery voltage is fluctuating so much. Change the throttle. Doesn't make sense.
That shouldn't be surprising. All right, I want you to bring that thing over slow and low and see what an approach is going to look like. Ah,
I'm coming. That's not that low.
nope. It's not that slow either.
That's like no throttle. I was just coasting.
You're going to have to use some of that up elevator against your throttle, man.
She wants to snap.
You could feel it?
Oh no, I got red LED.
Uh-oh.
But that's only when I throttle boost up. Let's see what a roll feels like. Come on now. Yeah.
Ooh, there it is.
Wow, she's a touchy little thing.
Not at all surprising.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Wow, those dual rates are zippy. That's for sure. Definitely should not be flying out dual rates for a while. Wow, that means I'm at 11.3 right now when I goose it.
Can't see in the sun.
Alright, I'm gonna have to bring it down a lot slower and lower if I really want to bring this down.
So yeah, take it out over that way and then just kind of, you know,
Man, I'm sitting at 11.3 right now.
you better do something. You're all right. 11.1 is where you really have to worry. Yeah, you gotta take it back farther.
I think I'm going down. I gotta come the other direction too.
Oh, I suppose so. Oh, Pete.
Not too bad, not too bad. I think it's too bad.
Did you bounce it?
I'm happy for this.
Gear's still attached.
I'm happy for this.
Nose is still attached. Everything's. I think that's a good landing, man.
Sorta. Little ball field sand on the old prop here. Check it out though.
Congratulations, Pete. Oh, look at that yellow. You timed it just right.
I think so. I think if I was at red, I might be hurting the battery. So that's
Well
pretty
done.
fun.
Well done.
Thanks for filming, Pete.
One flight down. See you later.